Hey there, I'm David and today we get you started with your T-scan system. Today we speak about the differences between the T-scan 10 and the T-scan 20. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. Well, there are basically two differences between both versions. First of all, we have different measurement volumes. The T-scan 20, which I have today, has 20 cubic meters measurement volume. You also can get a T-scan 10 with 10 cubic meters measurement volume. In this diagram, you see both measurement volumes next to each other. You see, for example, that the measurement depth of the T-scan 20 is 4 meters and the one for the T-scan 10 is 2.5 meters. The second big difference is that the T-scan 10 is cheaper than the T-scan 20. Important to know is that you can always upgrade from a T-scan 10 to a T-scan 20. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any issues with your T-scan, please reach out to us via support at handsonmethodology.com. For more tutorials, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time.